manual transmissions. This is the new Holden Commodore, and everything about it is truly world-class. In the spacious interior, there's new instrumentation and controls, new seating, and an even higher level of refinement and whisper-quiet ride. The performance is smooth and effortless, with radial-tuned suspension providing road holding and sheer drivability unmatched by any car in this class. The time has come for you to drive the new world-class Holden Commodore at your Holden dealer now. The time has come to reshape the future of Australian motoring. With sleek styling and an all-new alloy head 6 with standard electronic fuel injection, delivering 33% more power and even better fuel economy, and new 4-speed overdrive automatic or 5-speed manual transmissions. Drive the new world-class Holden Commodore at your Holden dealer now.
Is out on the prowl. We've got the muscle and the strength right now. There's more power than before in our world-class Commodore. Have you seen the way that Holden's looking now?
Look at Holden's unbeatable 4-cylinder range. Barina, Australia's most economical 5-door wonder. Astra, the clever hatch that's packed with features. Chimera, the most economical car in its class. And Commodore, Australia's best performing family car. The stunning European design Piazza and Calais, Australia's first luxury turbo.
Now we've got the power, we've hit our stride. We've always had the value.
Now we've got the pride.
This program was proudly brought to you by Holden, official sponsors of Australia's defence of the America's Cup.